Welcome to our channel, where today we unlock the simple process of applying for business credit cards to help your business grow. Welcome to our channel, where today we unlock the simple process of applying for business credit cards to help your business grow. Applying for a business credit card can seem overwhelming at first, but by following a clear step-by-step method, you can confidently obtain the right card that suits your company's needs. First, understand why a business credit card is beneficial. It helps manage expenses, improves cash flow, and builds your business credit profile. Next, assess your business's financial status. Gather documents such as your employer identification number (EIN), business financial statements, bank account details, and your business's legal structure information. Having these ready will simplify the application process. Then, research various credit card options focusing on features like rewards, interest rates, fees, and credit limits tailored for businesses. Compare cards that offer benefits relevant to your industry like cashback on office supplies or travel perks for business trips. Once you select your preferred card, visit the issuer's website or apply through a trusted financial service platform. Fill out the application form with accurate business details, including your legal business name, address, and contact info. Also, provide personal information about the business owner as required. Before submitting, review all information carefully to avoid errors that could delay approval. After submitting your application, be prepared to provide additional documents if requested, such as proof of business income or identity verification. Approval times vary, but usually range from a few days to 2 weeks. Once approved, activate your card and establish spending policies for your team if applicable to maintain financial control. Finally, track your spending and payments to build a strong credit history for your business. Timely payments and responsible use will increase your chances of credit line increases and better offers in the future. Remember, mastering the business credit card application process empowers your company to manage finances smarter and seize growth opportunities. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more insightful guides to support your business success.